Hello once again, everybody. It is now 1:08 and 30 seconds on September 26th. This is the main drawing for the House of Secrets 92 slab and Swamp Thing number 1. Whoever comes in first place is going to win the slab. Whoever comes in second place will win the raw copy of Swamp Thing number 1. Over here on the left are the 43 filled spots. Alright, let us roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 13 for somebody, or 2 people I should say. And away we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one. 13. Mike Fazzini wins the slab, and John Garner wins the raw copy of Swamp Thing number 1. Time is 1:09.